Yo, I might not be famous. Who the f cares? Yo, this one goes out to Taylor Swift. All them good Swifties out there, except for Travis Kelce. Yo, Swift, this is it. I'm putting your stop to an end. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want Travis Kelce to be the worst tight end. Man, all I gotta say is you, Taylor. Okay, let's cut my rap song. Man, I understand, Mike Stan, like a man from Japan, getting a song down on top of a van, then began to slang out friends named Dan, and Morgan, Juan, and Eminem, Cam, peanut butter and jam. Ooh, girl, I'm up again. Not as big as fan. They call him saying, man. Last time he saw the Randy ran when I was like, top man by a man next to fan. Everything glue. And was wondering why he put a gun up to his mind. He found it on the ground, cocked it, popped it, pop. Like a train, toot, pump a box of Fruit Loops. Let's get the chorus, brother. Oh, chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train, it's coming to you. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better pound, I'm not telling you why. There comes the train, it's going down the train tracks. You're wondering how it can fit through your cracks. And there goes the train up in my brain. Here comes your mom screaming my name. Oh, Justin! Yo, I wanna welcome y'all back. Y'all have been gone for about 1 minute. It's like y'all been gone forever though. Not miss y'all already. No, I'm just kidding. Can I say something though? Oh my god, this ice cream is the bomb. I talk about the butler, if you talk about the dead weight, yawn. I got on the ginger blocks, I can't even step them off. So I'm after something like a deck of cards, like I was gonna do the 50 Cent and his guard. What's going on? Why can't you just sing my song, please? Oh god. Eminem made a song called Fat. He talked about how he came in her girl. If you don't know, go check it out. That's one of the greatest hits. Out. Boom. You're dumb. Like a mother. Dumb. You can talk about Eminem. He had a party about the women and he got some lemons like a gym in. This man gets stuffed in the gym bag. I'm not trying to be like Slim Shady. He's a little bit too crazy. He has a baby named Haley Jade and her wife is kinda crazy. Or shall I say his wife, I named her. I just get them mixed up with her and him. Serving in, bourbon in, I'm serving in. Here we go, the chorus again. Oh, chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train, it's coming to you. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better pound, I'm not telling you why. There comes the train, it's going down the train tracks. You're wondering how it can fit through your cracks. And there goes the train up in my brain. Here comes your mom screaming my name. Oh, Justin! Yo, I'm on the train. It's go toot toot. I'm on the train. Wait, it's you. I go on the plane to Macaroons. It's my favorite street, my favorite color. You know my name, I will hit you with a broom. They call me Timo Kazi, I got to put the umbrella. I'm so hot I need a fanya, like a panda. Like a high school bander. It's like a long man, but you don't remember, you just don't understand. They call me Eminem, but I mostly get called Tupac by a lot. Y'all, I just not understand. Tell me, motherfucking man. I seem like you are daddy, so there is something you need to know. Do you want to go to the chorus or just hear me rap? I'm a person collect more stuff in a sack, number stuff. Do you want to hear me rap? Reading the notebooks, calling little things that I can't keep by middle rings. That didn't cry, I got middle blade. I just got electrocuted by a gun. It's not fun. It's a dun. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, I got my finger out in the side of your bum bum like a run, dun, dump, and dumb bitch. You take up a dungeon. It's run, bitch, and dumb bitch. You got the compass inside your eyes. Just time so with that eye. Then I got a little bit of some chitty come cause I got a bit in his wife. Must you got me the candy so that is something that you should know. I use a pepper towel wolf, chocolate pepper until and cook. Last part is of course I don't know if I'm there. Not just yet. Let me wipe my feet off because it's a bit wet. From me when I was sitting down, I sat down and thumbed him out. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not weird. I have a girlfriend. Her name is. I can't say it here. Not just kidding. I will say it. Her name is Kendall. She is a. She's a coke speed type of guy. She likes doing weed. She likes getting high. Getting high. I can't do that. I'm not old enough yet. But she does it and it gets in her chest. I'm just kidding again. I like lying in my songs. So when I lie in my songs, I don't know what the fuck is going on. But I'm just going along with it. Yo. And I just rap to me. We are friends. I just talked to Eminem again. He said we can be friends forever. And I think I might use the Eminem beat. He can't fool me. People think he's good just because he's white. But it's not that, he's just a good rapper. He don't give a crap on what you got to say. I'm ending this rap, hope you have a good day. Call me from there. Oh, chugga chugga choo choo, here comes the train, it's coming to you. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better pout, I'm not telling you why. There comes the train, it's going down the train track. You're wondering how it can fit through your crack. And there goes the train up in my brain. Here comes your mom screaming my name. Oh, Justin.